HY-ZC3011 leather cutting machine will be fixed in leather work surface in the form of vacuum suction. By definition projectors will cut pattern projected on the leather, can greatly enhance the overall layout by leather utilization. The machine functions include automatic typesetting, projection positioning, multifunctional vibration blade cutting, punching, line drawing. The machine is suitable for shoes, bags, sofas, and other related products. Machine 2 cutting size available: 3000 by 1100 millimeters, 1200 by 900 millimeters.